Hello guys, welcome to my video section. In this video section, I'll be walking through how you can build an eye converting sales page with AI. You can build e-commerce sales page, you can build digital product, service and more. And it's not only sales page, you can also build landing pages, opt-in pages and more. All right, and it's so flexible. And within 3 minutes, your sales page will be ready. And you can also edit it on Elementor, you can edit it, you can import it and start customizing. All right. So you can create any kind of product, digital, physical, anyone. So let's get started. Now you can use ChatGPT or Claude, but I normally prefer Claude. All right. I normally prefer Claude. You can see that this Claude is a free plan, which I'm going to be using. You can see free plan. So now what you need to do is just a prompt. All right, and it's a very, very powerful prompt that will build an eye converting standard and rich text sales page for you or any page I want to build. All right, let's get started. Now, let's say I want to build for a product. So I'm going to copy this prompt. I'm going to copy this prompt. So once I copy this prompt, so I'm going to paste it here. So you paste it here. So once you paste it here, to ask you just 3 or 4 questions. All right. So once I paste it there, so now once you paste it here, just type, all right, execute the attachment. All right, just say execute the attachment. That is all. So I will enter it. So if you read the attachment and if you ask me some question, you can see it. Welcome to the AI landing page creator. I will give you an eye converting production ready landing page fast. Now tell me what you like to build. Now, if you have a kind of landing page, I want to replicate the URL. Maybe I will do this one in the second section. All right, then you can do that. But now, if you have your own landing page, I want to build my own, then I will guide you through. All right. Now, which one do you prefer? Let me choose 2. Now, if you have your competitor sales page, then you can use 1. Then click on enter. Now, it will after you, do you want to build a sales page or a captured lead? All right. So let me say sales page 1. Now it's asking, is it digital product, physical product, or service? All right, let's say digital product because I have a digital product. So tell me about your product. What is the name of your product? Let me say Synergy Lead Forge. Synergy Lead Forge. And what does it do? This is 1. So this is number 1. Then number 2 is what does it do? All right, in 1 sentence, all right, it scripts email, validates email, blasts email, script phone numbers, blast SMS. I don't see 5-in-1 lead machine. All right. So got the Synergy Lead Forge. You can see blasting. So it's saying pricing. It's very important. Pricing. What is your selling price? Okay, let me just say 10,000 naira. 10,000 naira. One time. Limited offer. All right. Limited offer. So what do you have a cost price? No, I don't have a cost price. So I just say skip. Can say skip. Then number 3, what is your delivery fee? Physical products only or skip? All right. So it is a delivery fee. No, that is skip. I don't have delivery fee. Then what's your payment method? Cash on delivery, bank transfer, online payment, Paystack, or Flutterwave. Then you can put your link here, all right? Online payments. Or let's just say, okay, online payment. So let me just say my online payment is link. Link is https nexthuge.com/leadforge. All right. So that is it. So it will ask you the final question. So, okay, perfect. So that's 10,000 naira one time. All right. Now it's not asking you, do you need it in index.html file only, Elementor.json file only? Number 3, both. So let me choose number 1 first. Then in the second section, I can choose another one. So you can see I've chosen one. So if you start building, you can see we start building the front end guidance before the landing page. All right. So I'm going to pause this video. So once it finishes, then I'm going to resume this video back and see the landing page, the beautiful landing page it has built for. All right. So it has done. So it doesn't take like 5 minutes. So you can see, let me expand it. So you can see the sales page. You can see claim my discount. You can see it. All right. You can see now. You can see that the sales page is ready. You can see Synergy Leadforge, flash offer. You can see stop juggling 5 different tools just to find and reach your next customer. You can see it, the way it has structured, you can see it from. All right. You can see this. So though this one is fast, but you can prompt it. So you can see this. You are not short on late. You can see the way how clean it is. You can see the structure, email scraping, validation, blasting, phone number scraping, SMS blasting, one login, one view. You can see this. So this is where my product image will be, my image. So this is where it will be. Why marketers are switching, you can see the way it is very clean. You can see it. Complete your order. All right. So pay 10,000 naira and standard access. You can see. So clean. You can see it. You can edit it. You can see this one is, you can see this one is I think a WhatsApp button or something. You can see open external link. This is on WhatsApp. You can see. So you need to edit this. You can see very, very clean. So you can see that I'm still, so you can see saying a couple of things to swap out before you launch. You can see your WhatsApp button. You can see you must replace it with your number. No product images were provided. So you must also insert those images also. All right. You can see that it is very, very clean. So I'm going to download it. I'm going to download this. So I'm going to download it in my downloads. So I've downloaded it in my downloads. All right. So I can also do for physical products. Now, let's do for physical products. Let's do for physical products. So let me go to another tab. So let me copy the prompt again. So let me paste the prompt here. So I'll just say execute this attachment. All right, execute this attachment. You can see that I'm still using the free plan. You can see. So execute this attachment. So you're saying replicate a landing page. Now let's even search for a landing page. Let me say arthritis herbal product. So let me see if I can see a sales page. Let me just search online. Let me see a sales page. I can see a sales page. Okay. So let me just say man sexual wellness product sales page. So let me just type. So I need a sales page so that we can replicate that. Let me see sexual. I need a sales page. So let me click on next. So I need a sales page. Okay, so I need the comprehensive sales page. Okay, let me just pick one. Let me just okay, let me see this one. Man matters. Okay, so this one is like an e-commerce. This one is like an e-commerce. Let me see if I can see another one. Let me see if I can see another one. Okay. Okay. Let me see another one. So this is where you can get, if you have your sales page ready, then you can get it and put it there. But if I don't have, I'll just use the one I have. Let's see if you can do, because I need the good sales page, right, for this. So let's start. If I can see, if you cannot see, then okay. Okay. So let's use this one. Let's see if we can use this. Copy. So let me come here. I'll just say one. So this is the URL. So let's see. So moneymatters.com. So perfect. I've analyzed the page structure and design. It's clean, email awareness. You can see. Now I just need your pricing details to personalize it for you. You can see. You ask it for my pricing. One. Let me just say 20,000 naira. 20,000 naira. Then two. Let me just keep. So not to waste time. What's your delivery fee? Skip. Let me delivery fee. Number four, what is your payment method? COD, cash on delivery. All right. So let's see this. So to replicate that sales page for me. Okay, it's saying upgrade to keep 13. All right. Upgrade to keep 13. You're out of free message until 10 p.m. All right. So you can see this is just free. So you can use ChatGPT. Let's use the same thing for ChatGPT. Okay. Let's see if we can use ChatGPT for this. All right. Let's use ChatGPT for this. So ChatGPT. Okay, sorry. ChatGPT. So let's use ChatGPT for this. If you can give us what we really want. All right. So now the same way, let me attach the documents. Attach the documents. Or let me just even copy. Let me just copy, Control C. Let me paste it there. All right. So I'll just say execute. All right. Execute the prompts. Execute the what? Attachments. All right. Execute the attachments. So let's see what ChatGPT works. So I think we have the sites already. Let me see the sites that we want to analyze. Let me copy this. So now you can see it's asking the same question. Now I'll just say one. I'll paste the URL. So great choice. So it's saying option one, Gary. So it's saying what is your price? All right. So one price into 20,000 naira. So the second one, number two, skip. Let me just skip. Number three, let me skip it. Number four, payment COD. All right. So perfect. You can see selling price, delivery fee. Last year, do you want it in index rotation? Now let's go for index just HTML. Okay, let's say both, three. Both. Let's do both. All right. So you can see it generate this and this. One important thing before generation, what product are you selling? You can see what product am I selling? Is it hair growth oil, weight loss tea, perfume, skincare, product name, one sentence. All right. I'll just say synergy men's action. All right. For men sexual wellness. So perfect. You can see now. You can see that I've seen all my. So you say one important point, I can't generate misleading or substantial this. Also, the complete output requested is far larger than what's okay. So that is why I don't like to use. Okay, I just say generates only index.html. So that's why I don't really like to use ChatGPT. All right, so let's see what it will give us for the index.html. So once it's done, so I'm going to pause this video and I'll be back. Okay, so it's done. So you can see what ChatGPT gave is not as really quality as Claude. So let me preview it. So you can see the preview. You can see feel more confident with Synergy Mesh Action. You can see this is the image product placeholder. You can see it's not, it doesn't really want to do it. All right, it just force it. All right, so Claude is the best for this. I just showed, I don't want to use ChatGPT before. I just showed you. All right, I just showed you so that at least you can compare them together. You can see it. So this is not really a sales page. You cannot compare it to what is it called it? What Claude gave us. All right. So what Claude gave us, you cannot compare it at all. All right. So you cannot compare it. So that is the difference. So I would advise you, you can register for like 3 accounts or something. Or if you have money, you can just subscribe. All right. Though I've not tried other ones like DeepSeek, but you can still try them. All right. And in the next video, I'll be giving you how you can do this Claude. All right. You can do the I have the pro version. So I'm going to replicate that site. All right. I'm going to replicate this site so that we can see how Claude is going to do it. So I have a pro version of this Claude. So I'm going to go to the pro version. So I have a pro version. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the prompt again. All right, I'm going to copy the prompts. So I'll just say execute this. All right, execute this. So let me copy the URL. So this URL is not really okay for me. Okay, I think it matters. So I don't really like this sales page. All right, I don't really like this sales page. So let me see if I can see another sales page. I don't really like this sales page. I'm just see gadgets store. So I need a good sales page. I can, okay. I can just use, all right. Let me just say digital blood pressure monitor machine. All right. So let's see if I can see one. Okay, let me see this one. All right. No. I need a good sales page. All right. So let me see if I can get one. So then just put Nigeria. All right. So I think I've saw. So let me see this. Okay. So I need a sales page. I don't like. Okay, let me just pick one. Let me just pick one. Just pick one. Okay. So let me see. I'll just pick one. If I see, let me just pick. Okay. So let me see if we can replicate this. Let me just copy this one. And let's go there. I'll just say one. right? Let's see. So fetching from cleanit.ng. So it has analyzed the page structure and everything. All right. So what is your price? So let me just put my price, maybe 50,000 naira. So do you have an upsell? Do you have skip? Let me just skip. So just to know, make things simple. Skip, right? Skip. Then number 4, what payment method? COD. All right. So you can see almost done. How would you like your landing page delivered? All right. So let's pick 3 bots. All right. Let's pick 3 bots. All right. So he's doing his job. So I will be back once it's done. All right. As you can see that, so Elementor has Claude has finished designing the page. You can see it here. You can see that at least is a try more than ChatGPT. You can see very clean. So if you can see the page, so I think where is the page? Money Mart or something. Okay, I think this is the page or something. So you can see it. So at least, so let's expand the view. You can see it. It replicates that URL, ordinary URL. You can see it replicated it. All right. Now, if you see a very good sales page, like if you notice a very good sales page, maybe you are perchance scrolling on your Facebook page, Facebook account, and you saw an advert, then you can use that sales page here and replicate that sales page. So you can see it. So now now let's download this Elementor and let's install it on WordPress. So you can click on download and let's download it on our downloads. Let's download it. So we have downloaded it. Then let's go to, I think I have one of my WordPress here. So let's go to demo. So we edit with Elementor. So if you are using WordPress, so at least you should know this. So I'm going to edit with Elementor and I'm going to import that template. So before that, you can change these page settings to maybe Elementor canvas. All right, Elementor canvas. So it will be clean. Then also here, so just click on this place here. So once you click on that place, you come to templates. All right, you come to templates. Now, once you come to templates, then you can see this icon here, right? Then you select your templates, you import it. Then I will import it, downloads, import it. So once you import it, it will tell you can see you successfully imported one template. All right, then you can click on insert. So once you click on insert, then it will give you the preview. All right, to give you to load the site. You can see it. Then you can edit. All right, you can see you can edit. Then image, you can put your image. Then you can customize, you can adjust. All right, you can customize, you can go to style or go to advanced if you want to put the margin top, margin bottom, you can see. So margin top, I can say 40. All right, I can say 40. All right, then you can customize. This is not a WordPress class. Then you can customize this form. If you don't need this form, then you can this Elementor form. All right, you can see this Elementor form. Then you can customize this form yourself. All right, so this is how to design a perfect sales page. So it can design any sales page for you. You can design landing pages, digital products, software, services, or any other thing that you want. All right, and this is just the perfect sales page creator. All right, so you can click on the link below to get the prompts. All right, click on the link below to get the prompt and start building your sales page and fire your sales page creator. Sorry about that. So you don't need to fire. So you can be doing it on your own, and instead of paying huge amounts for creators, all right. So you can be doing it on your own and be designing, creating high converting sales page, all right? And even for others also, for your business and for other businesses, all right? So click on the link below to get the Optimate prompt. All right. Thank you very much. If you need any support, feel free to contact me and I will see you next. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful time.